Yum. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a ginger thyme sparkling lemonade. Doesn't that sound delicious for a nice hot summer day? Let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to need today for our sparkling lemonade. So we need 2 cups of water, 2/3 cup of honey, 3/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of ginger that is chopped up, and 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, and about 12 sprigs of fresh thyme. To a small saucepan, I'm adding our water, our honey, our 3 tablespoons of ginger, and our thyme. I'm going to stir this around a bit, and then I'm going to bring it up to a boil. Then I'm going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, we're coming up to a boil, and I'm going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now I've taken the pot off the heat, and we're going to add in our lemon juice and our lemon zest. And I'm going to let this steep for 20 minutes. Now that our mixture has been steeping for 20 minutes, I'm going to pour it through a fine mesh sieve, catching all of the big chunky ingredients because we don't want that. This is almost like, I would say, a simple syrup that we've made. Look at that beautiful color. Now we're going to take our beautiful mixture here, and we're going to chill it for about 2 hours so it's nice and cold. Once that happens, we're going to take it and add it to some sparkling water and have a really refreshing beverage. Now let's taste. It's very ginger forward. Then I taste the lemon with a hint of thyme. So refreshing. If you don't want a sparkling drink, you can always use regular water. And if you wanted to make this an alcoholic drink, you could do that as well by adding some vodka or gin. Yum. Well, I am pleasantly surprised. It's really, really good. And the perfect refreshing drink for a hot summer day, like I said before. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notifications. That way you won't miss out on any videos. See you next week. Cheers.